Welcome guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we just want to do a day in our life, just to let you guys see liberty in Jamaica. So right now we are just having breakfast, sorry. We are finishing up breakfast. So I hope you guys will stick around and see what's gonna come out of our day. And hope you enjoy it and hope you like the video. Subscribe and comment. Love you. Love you. Baby girl sleeping like a princess. So guys, I'm just going to the shop. I'm going to buy dinner now. Get ready to cook dinner. So I just thought I should bring you guys along with me. The shop is not far from our home though. Serve. So I didn't get all that I wanted at the other shop, so I'm coming down to this one to see if I got it. So guys, getting dinner started. Just here kneading the flour. It's brown flour. You know, the white flour carry too much starch, you know, that's why we prefer the brown flour. Talk to your people, him. We're just going down the road to a dressmaker, actually. A part of our day. So see you guys later. And so we're almost reached our destination. You know, say that way them that time. Hey, you think of this? Go on the road and come back, and I'm just giving God thanks for life. And that I'm able to keep, because sometimes, you know, when I go out there, in a promise of coming back. Or because you know, say you serve a God, we trust and believe in. Because today I went on the road and it was really, really rough. Come like every driver choose to drive crazy. But thanks be to God, and bring me in safe. So just have a good rest of your night or day. And thank you guys for watching. God bless. Don't forget to pray. Don't leave God out in anything at all you do. Love you guys. Amen. And that's our day in a nutshell. Yes. See you.